Meaning of guild.
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 Guild. The term guild refers to an association of artisans or merchants who work in a particular industry or trade and share similar interests and goals. Historically, guilds were common in Europe during the Middle Ages and Renaissance periods. They provided support for members through training, apprenticeships, and protection against unfair competition. Guilds also played a role in regulating the quality and pricing of goods produced by their members. Today, guilds continue to exist in some industries, particularly in arts and crafts, where they serve as a network for artists and craftsmen to connect with each other and promote their work.